Thanks for calling Globe. We're here to make it easy for you to get the help you need. If you want to report an issue with your internet connection, calls, or texts, press 1. If you need to buy load, register to promos, track data usage, report issues, and more, press 2. Then we'll send you the link to download our mobile apps. If you are calling for your broadband account, press 3. If you want to apply for a mobile or broadband plan, press 4. If you want to apply for a postpaid or broadband plan, press 5. For English instructions, press 1. Para sa Taglish instructions, press 2. Kung ganahan mo og instructions sa Visayan, press 3. We're here to assist you with new line applications. If you're calling for another concern, you may download our mobile apps to do self-service without the need to speak with an agent. Our operating hours from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Para mag-apply ng personal account, press 1. Para mag-apply ng business account,
Thank you for calling the Globe Consumer Sales Hotline.
para sa Globe Mobile Plans, press 1.
Para muling pakinggan ang mga options, press 4.
Para sa Globe Mobile Plans, press 1.
Para muling pakinggan ang mga Thank you for your interest in getting a postpaid plan. To apply, you may visit our online shop at new.globe.com.ph. Take care.